In this question, you have to match the terms in column 1 with their description in column 2. First one, we have dominance. So in dominance, when two alleles are present in a heterozygous organism, only one allele expresses itself and the other is masked. So that means the correct answer is in a heterozygous organism, only one allele expresses itself. So A matches with the second one in column 2. Now coming to codominance. So in codominance, both alleles of a gene pair are expressed equally and fully in a heterozygous organism. So that means 3 is the correct one. In a heterozygous organisms, both alleles express themselves fully. So B matches with the third one. Now coming to pleiotropy. In pleiotropy, a single gene can affect multiple traits or characteristics. So that means the correct answer is a single gene influences many characters. So C matches with the fourth one in column 2. Now finally we have polygenic inheritance. So in polygenic inheritance, many genes control the expression of a single trait or character. So that means the correct answer will be the first one in the column 2. So the answer is option B, that is A matches with 2, B matches with 3, C matches with 4 and D matches with 1 in column 2 respectively. Answer is option B.